So hello guys. So for Culture Day is a holiday in Japan. And for Culture Day, I decided to go on a tour. It is called the Gyotoku Shrine Tour. So this is the tour that I went on. It was an amazing tour group that I will link in my bio. You can join their tours using their website or using meetup.com, which I used meetup.com to find them, and it was so fun. Everyone was so welcoming, and we went to so many different places. There were a lot of Japanese volunteers and a lot of people explaining things in English and Japanese, so it was really great. It was a great place to make friends, and I went to a whole lot of shrines, and I got to do a lot of things that I wouldn't normally be able to do if I was just by myself. So it was a great opportunity and I loved it. So before we get into the video, I just want to give a big thanks to the tour group that took us on that tour, and I'll show you the little map we have. This is the map. This is by Edogawa. Edogawa is the company. And then it was in Ichikawa. This is in Chibu. So if you get the chance, I recommend checking out the group, seeing different things that they do. I did the shrine tour because Culture Day, I wanted to learn more about Japanese culture. So yeah. And now let's get into the video. But before that, if you haven't already, please hit the like button, subscribe, leave me a comment, tell me what was your favorite part of Culture Day, and that'll be it. Okay, let's go. So our first stop is Mikoshi Museum. Mikoshi in English is a portable Shinto shrine. Shinto followers believe that the spirit of the god is transferred into this portable shrine during festivals. This one costs as much as 4 cars. But that is because everything is made painstakingly by hand. Myoden in Ichikawa is home to the only handcrafted Mikoshi factory still operating in this part of Japan. We made a quick stop here because this is the horse head statue. This is supposed to be in honor of all the horses that helped people in the past get to where they needed to go. Our next stop is at Denshokan Museum. These are the outfits people wear when they are carrying the portable shrine. Next we'll visit Joyuto, a giant stone lighthouse lantern on the Edogawa riverbank. It once guided people traveling by boat from the Nihonbashi area and Imperial Palace to the Sacred Highway. Our next place we visited was a Buddhist temple. This temple is usually not open. Today was a special day because it was Culture Day, and apparently this place only opens up about once a month, so you have to be here at the right time. People come here to leave things in front of the altar. After lunch, we went to a temple for fertility. We went to various temples that were opened up because of Culture Day. We also visited some shrines and even a little Christian monument.
It's a bell house tower, and it has a bell inside, and it has a 400 years history.
In the past, Gyotoku Moden area was a gateway from Edo Castle to Narita Sensoji Temple. As a result, many Buddhist temples and Shinto shrines were founded in the Gyotoku Moden area. So many temples are located there, it's often referred to as a temple town. Our next stop is where they are showcasing a lot of the portable shrines. We're going to look at a lot of different portable shrines, and we're going to even see one of the big ones that they use during festivals. We had the rare opportunity to touch the portable shrine. The reason we could do this was because there wasn't any festivals going on. Usually if there's a festival going on, you are not allowed to touch it because the god is inside. But right now, because the god would be at its original shrine, we were able to kind of touch and check out the shrine. Outside, they have this sword that they carry during festivals in front of the shrine in order to protect the shrine. Next, you're going to watch what they usually do during festivals. So here is a demonstration of how they carry the shrine. I even got the rare chance to try it for myself. It was really fun, and I don't think I would have been able to do this normally. It's not something they offer usually, but they were really nice and they let us try to carry the shrine and they showed us how to do it. It was super fun, and I wish I could do it again. Thank you so much for sticking to the end of the video. Ichikawa was very fun. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please tell me what was your favorite part, and I will see you next time. Thank you.